Gold traded with the modest bullish bias yesterday, while silver has shown a little swings. Yes, it has seen getting support from $29 levels, and also on the upside, the resistance played out well. Now, what to expect today? Big day today. We have swing events coming in. We have lot much of data, and the Fed's interest rate decision followed with the Chairman Powell's speech. Definitely, lot much of volatility will be observed. Thus, today, whatever trades you are taking, you have to strictly trade with the stop loss and a trailing stop loss. And in this analysis, we'll try to find out the best possibility for you to profit and how to profit, where to enter, everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the inflation data coming in from US. Thus, do not miss to watch that. Subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment, which is a great motivation. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support them. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Watch. See, gold on the hourly charts has been trading in this retracement channel. You can see it is trying to stay bullish, creating higher lows and higher highs. One thing is observant here, that there is a greater resistance observed at 2320, and thus we have to wait for it to break beyond 2320 in order to continue its move towards 2325, 2335 zone. Also, if you look at right now, it is, see, another observation here is, look at the drop. This was sharp and the retracement is gradual. So once it comes out of this channel, it is going to be again a sharper drop. So right now it is appearing to be in a retracement zone, but once it breaks on the downside, maybe with the data or with the interest rate projection, definitely the move can be a sharper. If you look at the hourly charts here, you will definitely find the 20 period moving average is giving it a very good support, and you can also see couple of candles with bigger tails, suggesting that the prices are not willing to stay bearish, and possibly a little rise is what you can expect. But let's have a further detailed look. Say stochastic has dropped here. This is, and after the drop, it may try to bounce back. What has happened here can replicate. The MACD, look at MACD. Good retracement after the sharp plunge. Good retracement is seen. It is almost forming a cusp here. It can take either which ways. Right now we have to wait. It has not yet crossed over either on the sell side. We have to wait for it to either cross over and stay with divergence for bearishness, else it may continue to stay bullish. RSI is flat. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts also similar observation here. Yes, trading bullish. Second thing here is, look at the rise here. Look at the rise here. See, the gravity of this rise or the bullishness here is getting diminished. We have to just wait for it to break out. 50 period moving average is at around 2320 levels. Indeed, is going to be a greater resistance for it to break. And on the downside, we can see 2320, 2305, and then 2300. Very, very strong supports are observed here. So once it breaks below this support channel, then we can say it is taking a break here. We have to indeed wait for it to give a clear direction and clear signal. Stochastic comfortable near to overbought zone. Look at MACD, it has crossed over here, trading with divergence, staying bullish. It may continue to stay in this path for a while before taking a dip here. Yes, it can try to. RSI almost running flat. Coming to 3 hour, look at 3 hour charts, divergence of the price from the moving average, and that is where it is tried to converge here. And right now we can see it taking support from the 20 period moving average, which is good sign for the bulls here. Possibility of a breakout exists, but again I will say that the bullishness is very, very little compared to the drop here. Thus I will wait for a drop again and wait for a breakout. Till the time it stays above 2300, possibility for it to achieve the highs here exists, and from these levels again a reversal is what you can expect. So as long as for the day 2340, 2350 zone is not taken, be it with the inflation data, be it with the Fed, as long as gold respects 2340-50 zone, we have to be careful with the buys here, and a breakout beyond 2350 is where the bulls will be more interested. Stochastic rising, the MACD has crossed over here at the bottom. It is trading with little divergence. It may continue to do so. The RSI almost running flat. Coming to 4 hour. On the 4 hour charts, see again the same here. It is the support on the 3 hour charts is seen as a resistance here. The 20 period moving average is proving out to be a good resistance for the prices to move or stay bullish. Yes, the tails it is creating suggests that the bulls are still very much interested, as it is not willing to stay bearish, not willing the price to stay on the downside. So possibly we can see a breakout, but we have to wait for it to stay above 2320 in order to confirm further rise here. If you look at a stochastic, this is near to top. Look at MACD. This is crossed over here, trading with little divergence. It is a sign that possibly we may see bullishness to continue here. The RSI running flat. Coming to the daily, before we look into the daily charts and I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my mentorship batch. 32nd batch is announced, 31st batch started a couple of days back. You can register in this batch. We are sharing all the tools, techniques, strategies, and the trade setups with the help of which you can trade profitably and comfortably. Reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Else, you can also be part of my signals channel on Telegram. We are trading as per the signals, you can profit. Connect with me for your queries, and those who had asked me to recommend a broker which offers diverse set of instruments from across the globe, which is available across the globe as well, and yes, which offers a stress-free account with the lowest spreads and no hidden charges. You can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now look at the daily chart. See, a reversal sign was seen here. Flat bottom, you can see double bottom is seen. Look at the last two candles, comes with bigger tails here, but a smaller body size. Now, a smaller body size suggests diminishing bearishness compared to this. And second thing is, despite diminishing bearishness, we can see bigger tails suggest that the prices are not willing to stay bearish. Third thing is higher lows here. So higher lows is where we have to be watchful. It suggests that there is still bullishness. On the downside, now we have to wait for it to break below 23.1008 levels. Below 23.08 is where you can look forward to 23.04. And see, 23.0402 is going to be the first support zone, and then we can look forward to 22.9896. Once gold is seen trading below 22.96, then we can say now the bears are back in action and we can look forward to a sharper drop. I will wait for 22.87 and then 22.78. Below 22.78 it is not going to come back. We will look forward to 22.50 and lower levels. But right now, looking at the moment, there is still bullishness. It can bounce back. It can lead to a bigger bullish candle from the current levels. Why? If you look at, see what it has done, it is forming a tail. A flat bottom is seen. First, it needs to break the highs from yesterday, that is 23.20, and then I will wait for 23.25, 23.34, 35 levels to be taken. So, couple of key levels. If you can buy here at 23.20, is wait for 23.25, 23.34, 36 the next, and then 23.40, 41.5 the third. If these three levels are taken, we can look forward to bullish momentum first towards 23.50, and beyond this, you can look forward to a stronger rise. If you look at the formation here, the drop, the retracement, the drop means it could retrace here. Yes, it is trading in this flag formation. Where are the highs here? Towards 23.70, 23.80 levels. So, yes, if it bounces back from the current levels and stays beyond 23.40.50, certainly the bullishness will prevail here. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. Now look at silver on the early charts. Sharper drop, retracement, lower lows, retracement. And yes, if you see this, it is trying to trade in this bearish channel. The highs at around 29.60, 29.80 zone. Any move beyond 29.80 will confirm the reversal and the rise for 30, 30, 50 levels at the next target. Right now, I can see a lot much of a struggle here in silver. A good thing here is it is consolidated here enough at $29.20, $29 levels before taking the direction here. So now we have to wait for it to stay beyond 29.50, 29.60 zone, beyond which we can say certainly the bullish momentum will prevail towards 29.80. Any move beyond 29.80 will confirm the reversal. Stochastic near to overbought, trying to cool down. MACD is trading with divergence. MACD is trading with little bullishness. The RSI has seen a little rise as well. Coming to 2-hour chart. On the 2-hour chart, the drop, the retracement, the drop here, consolidation is seen here. It is trying to retrace. 20 period moving average is giving it a very, very good resistance. So, in sum, it has to stay above 20 period moving average, which means the candle has to close above 20 period moving average, which will confirm the further direction in silver. Good thing is good enough consolidation is seen here in 29.20, 29.10 zone is proven out to be a great support. So any point of time, silver is seen trading below 29.20. That is the point of time you can take a sell entry, wait for 29.10 and $29 levels to be taken. Below 29, do not stay bullish in silver. It can fall sharply. Stochastic rising, the MACD is also trying to trade with little divergence, trying to stay bullish, looking upwards. The RSI is also showing little bullishness. Coming to 3-hour, look at 3-hour charts here. Good consolidation is seen, reversal sign is observed, higher lows are seen, higher highs are, and it is still staying bullish. it may try to form a tail and bounce back. If you see it is staying beyond 29.50-60 zone, stay bullish. We can look forward to 29.80, and any move beyond 29.80 is going to be a sign of reversal. I can see symmetrical formations of the current candle can reverse strongly. We have to be watchful and careful here. Stochastic rising, the MACD is also crossed over. It is trying to trade with little bullishness. RSI is staying comfortable and flat. Coming to 4-hour chart, another view on the 4-hour charts is the drop, the retracement, the drop, the retracement, and once it breaks, it is going to be a sharper one. I can see higher lows, lower highs here. We have to wait for it to break on the upside for it to confirm the direction. And yes, $30 levels is the next target, which if it stays about 29.80, 30 is the first target, and then I will look forward to 30.50 and $31 levels as well. See the spike here, and look at the channel here. You can find out it is trading in the channel. The highs of this channel are well about 31. Stochastic rising from the bottom. The MACD is also willing to cross over for the buys. RSI is rising as well. Coming to daily charts. Now on the daily chart, this is a concerning point for me because see preceding couple of candles, lower highs, lower lows, and the preceding candle was extremely bearish. Look at the closing here. Yes, it has closed on a flat note, but it has formed a tail as well. Today it has started with the drop and taking the support from 29.20. It is trying to rise. So now once the prices drops below 29.20, and if you see it is staying below 29.10 and 28.90 levels, then you can say we can look forward to a sharper drop. What we will expect 28.75, 28.50, and in fact lower levels towards 28 can be expected here. If it gives a break here on the downside, it is going to be a sharper one. Right now I do not see that. I can see it is getting a very good support here. Stochastic is oversold, the MACD is divergent and bearish, and RSI is running flat. So looking at this, buy at 29.50, sell at 29.20. On the downside, first let's talk about, we have to be careful first for 29, 28.90 zone, first support zone. Very strong support is observed here. As long as 28.90, $29 levels are not taken, we have to be careful with the sells below 28.90, $29. Next target is towards 28.60, 28.50, and then we will look forward to $28 levels. On the ups, I will recommend a buy at 29.50. 60 zone somewhere here, it is going to get maximum resistance, and then we will look forward to 29.80, 85 levels. Beyond this, 30.15 first target zone, and then 30.50, 30.60 levels will be seen. Beyond that, 31.1, 31.2 can also be achieved. It is going to be extremely volatile day. Thus, you need to be trading with caution. You have to trail your stop losses. Keep taking the trade. Keep re-entering. If you see it is staying in the same direction, preserve your capital. Do like, share, and comment. Press the bell icon and subscribe to the channel. Do watch the next update before the US session. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Do not miss to join the mentorship batch and the signals channel as well. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again in few hours from now. Thank you.